the ends because I just feel like tying the notification be alert whenever I post. Thank you.